We begin our coffee talk with something pretty sweet. I told you there'd be cookies. It's time for Crumbl Cookies Flavors of the Week every Monday. Great Day reveals the 4 flavors that you can get at Crumbl Cookies in Des Peres and Cottleville. You ready for this week's flavors?
Always.
All right, play the Crumbl music. This week, you can pick up the following specialty flavors. Biscoff lava, snickerdoodle. Oh, I love me some snickerdoodle. Cupcake, pumpkin chocolate chip, frozen hot chocolate. Frozen hot chocolate.
Yeah, with the marshmallows.
Frozen hot chocolate. Plus their regular flavors, milk chocolate chip, which I love, and chilled sugar, which I love. Crumbl Cookies offer both contactless delivery and curbside options. Their stores are also open for socially distanced takeout orders. Crumbl Cookies is located, as we said, in Des Peres and Cottleville. The phone number for each location right there on your screen. I'm going to give you a second. Just listen to the music in the background. That's our Crumbl music. Write down those numbers. Hurry up. Hurry up. Or you can also visit Crumbl, that's Crumbl, no E, Crumbl.com.
That's so good. What one are you going to take?
Yes.
Okay, well, I called the third one.
Okay.
Perfect.
Frozen hot chocolate. Oh, no. Which one is that?
Like the cupcakey one.
Oh, the cupcake.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, that